Hi, Tech Cohort. Today you were able to observe a lesson where the teacher was leading the students to work on collaborative Google Slides. This is a really powerful tool for group work where every member of the group can work independently but also collaboratively to bring their ideas to their project. In this particular project, the students were doing some research on the American Revolution, and as you observed, the students were assigned different resources that they were able to use to find information about a given event of the American Revolution. So some of the students were working in the box using Britannica, some were working in the box using BrainPop, some were using the books and Freedom Flicks, and others were on the Ducksters website. They were able to pull their information together, discuss, jigsaw what they saw, and synthesize the most important facts. So there were many pieces of instruction that were very strong because of use of this technology tool. So for your classroom assignment for this month, we would like you to attempt to create a lesson in which students are working collaboratively on Google Slides. Come back to the Google Classroom website, share your successes and challenges. We would love to see samples of the types of things that you put out there for your children and what they created. Hope the assignment goes well.